Japan, land of the samurai. There are some countries in the world whose history is not just a past, it is a character. Japan is exactly that kind of country. For centuries, Japan was known as the land of the samurai, a nation shaped by swords, warriors, and a deep code of honor. But when we look at Japan today, we see a completely different picture. A leader in robotics, one of the world's largest automobile producers, and one of the most advanced nations in education, healthcare, and technology. So how did a samurai society transform into one of the most powerful economies in the modern world? This is where Japan's story truly begins. For many centuries, Japan remained largely isolated from the rest of the world. It operated under a feudal system, and the samurai class held immense influence within society. But by the mid-19th century, Japanese leaders were forced to confront an undeniable reality. The world was changing. The Industrial Revolution had created enormous power in the West, and Japan risked falling behind if it remained closed to global developments. This realization marked the beginning of one of the most critical periods in Japanese history, the Meiji Restoration. Starting in 1868, Japan entered a period of rapid transformation. The new leadership began studying Western science, technology, and industrial systems. Railways were built. A modern education system was established. Industrial investments expanded rapidly. However, there was one crucial difference that set Japan apart from many other nations undergoing modernization. Japan did not abandon its cultural identity. The discipline, loyalty, and sense of duty rooted in samurai culture remained deeply embedded in society. In other words, Japan adopted Western technology, but preserved its spirit. By the early 20th century, Japan had already emerged as a powerful industrial nation. Yet history had prepared an extremely difficult test for the country: World War II. At the end of the war, Japan faced devastating defeat. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki shocked the nation and left much of its infrastructure destroyed. The economy had collapsed, industrial capacity was severely damaged, and the country was forced to rebuild almost from scratch. In the years that followed, Japan entered a new strategic reality. The country formed a strong alliance with the United States and became an important partner of the Western world in the Pacific region. At the time, many believed Japan would never recover its former strength. But history proved otherwise. Japan went on to achieve one of the greatest economic transformations the world has ever seen. Beginning in the 1950s, Japan made massive investments in heavy industry and manufacturing. Steel production, shipbuilding, electronics manufacturing, and especially the automotive industry began to grow at an incredible pace. Today, companies like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan do far more than produce cars. They have redefined global standards of efficiency and production systems. Japan also became one of the world's most innovative nations in technology, robotics, and advanced engineering. But Japan's success cannot be explained by technology alone. The real strength lies within its culture. Discipline plays a central role in Japanese society. Many people view their work not simply as a job, but as a responsibility. Another key concept is Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy that means continuous improvement. According to this mindset, no system is ever perfect. Every day offers an opportunity to make something slightly better. This philosophy became the foundation of Japan's industrial success. From factory production lines to education systems, the idea of constant improvement shapes nearly every aspect of Japanese society. And perhaps the most important factor is hard work. In Japanese culture, collective success often matters more than individual recognition. People tend to show long-term loyalty to their companies, institutions, and communities. Today, Japan is recognized not only for its economic strength, but also for its high quality of life, advanced healthcare system, and highly disciplined education structure. But what I find most remarkable about Japan's story is this. This country has been knocked down many times. It has faced earthquakes, wars, and severe economic crises. Yet each time, Japan managed to rise again. Perhaps that is why Japan is not just a technological powerhouse. It is also a living example of how discipline, hard work, and continuous improvement can transform an entire nation. The land of the samurai still carries the same spirit. The only difference is this. Today, instead of swords, Japan shapes the world with technology, innovation, and knowledge.